Over the summer, my daughter developed an obsession with Elvis. This was due to the Elvis movie that was in the theaters. She saw it 3 or 4 times in the theater, made me go see it with her once and maybe twice, and then forced me to watch it with her on whatever station it was that it came out on. Anyway, so in that movie, there is a quilt on the bed, and it's towards the beginning before Elvis makes it bigger, moves out of the house that they were in, and the mom's really upset and they have a fight. And anyway, so the quilt caught my attention, which, if you know me, is not a huge surprise. So I decided to recreate that, and I'm actually going to give it to So here it is. This is the picture. I finally got it in EQ8. This quilt is 96 by 120, and we are going to make it.